Hi, this is Sushil from Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. In the last video, I explained to you about VLOOKUP with name range. In today's example, I will be teaching you about VLOOKUP with multiple columns. So let us see our data. You can download this sample data from my description. Now, what is the use of this advantage of multiple columns? As you can see my data, I've got some item codes over here, item description, I've got some price. I've given some item codes here, which item codes I've written over here. Some item codes I've written over here. Instead of you using it separately, this formula, one by one, description, then price. So instead of that, you can use this option of yours called as multiple colors using VLOOKUP. So how do you use it? You can see now. Just select this first line, description price, because this is two places where I'll be using my formula. Because I want description and price. At one formula only I want it. I don't want to type it separately. My VLOOKUP. Equal to you say VLOOKUP tab. So when you press bracket open, that tab comes. Tab when you press bracket open comes. Click on G8. This is my G8. That is the item code you're searching. Comma. Select the full table. Like this. Full table. And then lock it. Press F4 from your keyboard. So it is locked because I'll be dragging it for the other cell also. That's why. Comma. And then give this curly brackets. That is shift and curly brackets. This is called as curly bracket. That will get this curly bracket, will get this next to that alphabet P. And then you type here 2 comma 3 and then close the curly brackets. Now why I'm writing 2 comma 3? Because see, item description, this is 2 and this is 3. If I got 5 items, then you have to write here 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 like that is. Okay. And then give a comma and write 0. You can write false also, exact match. If this number is there in your list, it will show you, otherwise it will tell you NA. NA stands for not applicable. Close the bracket. So once you've done this much, so now you don't press enter because it's an array. It's an array form I'm using. So that's why we have to press Control, Shift and Enter from your keyboard. So when you press Control, Shift, Enter from your keyboard, you can see S0310 B3 BCKR. The details is modern byte selection black 123. So if I drag it or if you double click, I should get it for the others also. So whatever codes you have written over here, according to that code, it is showing me the details about all these things. See, with one formula only, I can get this if I use VLOOKUP with multiple columns. That is the advantage of VLOOKUP with multiple columns. Next one was amount. Amount, you have to click select price into quantity. So you can say equal to price, that you multiply that with your quantity, enter. So in this case, it is I8 multiply with J8. So that will give you 1476. That is for this item. So now if you double click, I should get for the others. So this is one example, example 1, which I showed you about multiple columns using VLOOKUP. I have one more example. In this example, I have given you some details over here, which has got some units sold. 2013 sale, 2014. And I've written your keyboard. You can write anything else. For example, if I type your laptop. So I want laptop ka 2013 was to 16,700, 2013. 2014 it was 18,700. So both it should calculate and show me the total over here. And here it should tell me the maximum from that 2013-14, which is the highest. And from that 2013-14, which is the smallest, that is minimal. And from that 2014, 13 and 14, what is the average? So that's what you want to use here. Again, I'll be using my array formula only. This is again an array formula only. That's why I cannot press enter. And once you enter the formula, I cannot say enter. You have to press Control, Shift and enter. So now the formula you'll have to use for here is sum, because total I'm using over here. So I'll just write equal to sum, tab, bracket open, and then you write VLOOKUP, bracket open. Click over here, G15, that is this, and press this button called as F4 from the keyboard, and then give a comma. Select this full table of yours, full table. Again, lock this also, F4, comma, curly brackets, and write down here 2 comma 3. Close the curly brackets. 2 comma 3 is this 2013, 2014, comma, and write down the 0, can write false also, and 2 time bracket close. So now you don't press enter, you have to press Control Shift and enter. So when I press Control Shift enter from a keyboard, because it's an array, as you can see, it's telling me 35,400. This is for laptop. 16,700 plus 18,700. If I change this to something else, for example, I'm just typing your keyboard, enter. So it tells me the keyboard 5,500 and 6,000 total. Over here I want the maximum unit, and here I would like to have the minimum, and here I would like to have average. So again I will use my formula over here called as equal to max, tab, VLOOKUP, click on this item, that is G15, lock it F4, and once you have locked this thing, give a comma, then select this full table of yours, that is D13, say D17, this is the thing what I've done, comma, curly brackets, 2, 3, close the curly brackets, comma, and write 0, close the bracket, yeah. And now if I press Ctrl Shift and enter from a keyboard, it should tell me which is the highest for keyboard ka. So if I change this to laptop and something else, laptop, see, total of laptop is 35,400, maximum for laptop was 18,700. So same thing I can try over here also, that is for minimum, just write down here equal to minimum, tab, VLOOKUP, click on this, that is G50, block it, F4, give a comma, select this full table of yours, and lock this also, F4, comma, 2, curly brackets, 2, 3, close the curly brackets, comma, 0, and 2 times bracket close, and press Ctrl Shift Enter from a keyboard. See. So laptop, the total was 35,400. Maximum in that laptop is telling me it is 18,700. That is the highest, and the least is 16,700. So that is like that you can have as many years. So according to that, it will show me over here. And one more thing we want over here, average. Okay, what is the average of this both laptop? 16,700, 18,700. What will be the average? And or whatever you type over here, laptop. I type laptop, so it will show me about laptop. So just write down your average, AVG, average, just write average, equal to average, bracket open, and then we look up, click on this G15, F4, lock it, comma, select this full table, you can lock this also, F4, comma, curly brackets, 2, 3, close the curly brackets, comma, 0, and bracket close, fine, and then press Ctrl Shift Enter. So it is telling me the average for laptop is 17,700. If I change something else instead of laptop, if I change it to tablet, it will show me about tablet ka. Yeah, see. Tablet ka, it was total is 10,900, maximum is 8,400, minimum is 2,500, and average is so much. So whatever you type here, for example, if I type something is not there, for example, I'm just typing pen, it will give me a name because it's telling me that product is not there. So if you type a thing which is there in your product, see, if you make a spelling mistake also, it will not tell me, it will not give me. The spelling should be right actually. So when you type the right spelling, then it will come over here. So if you find this tutorial helpful, give a like and subscribe to my channel, Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to use VLOOKUP with the drop-down list. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.